Actor Sonu Sood was stopped from meeting migrants at the Bandra railway station last night. Sonu Sood had arrived at the station to meet the passengers. The RPF said that the actor was informed regarding railway policy of not allowing any person not related to railway operation to enter into the station building, as it leads to flouting the norms of social distancing. Well, so that's the latest information that we are getting. The pictures on your screens showing you actor Sonu Sood, who's been extremely proactive in trying to get migrants back to their native places. In many occasions, he has seen them off, he's gone to receive them, and this seems to be one such occasion where he arrived at the Bandra station to receive migrants. Unfortunately, he was not allowed access. The railway police has cited procedural guidelines and rules for doing so. Let me get in Neha Kulkarni with more information. Yes, Neha, what exactly happened with the actor not being allowed to receive migrants? Was he violating any particular rule? What does the RPF have to say?
So, in a statement given by the Western Railway to Mera now here, they have given an explanation that there was a train going from Bandra terminus to Azamgarh yesterday at about 8 p.m. and the actor Sonu Sood arrived at about 7:30 p.m. to the terminus. Now, according to the railways, because no passenger who's not bona fide, who does not have a ticket or does not have a purpose inside the station premise, going inside the train or whatever, is not allowed to enter the premise. This is according to the social distance norms that they are following in as per whenever the railway started a train movement. And giving this reason, the railways have told us that which is why Sonu Sood was not allowed to enter the railway premise. Later in the statement, they've also said that he met the RPF officials. He sat there at the station for a good 40 minutes. After that, he was allowed to meet some migrants at a concourse area of the station, which is not very much inside, but this is the outside of the station. And then they said that he was politely refused to not go inside because they were following the social distancing norms. But what is clearly remarkable here, Afrida, is that this comes only a day after the alleged feud between Shiv Sena and Sonu Sood had come into picture, wherein we saw late night he also went to CM Uddhav Thackeray's house. They had a friendly chat. There were pictures everywhere of them, the government appreciating the work done by Sonu Sood. So yes, the fact that he was not allowed to enter the station or he was not allowed to have any kind of chat with the migrants does raise some eyebrows.
Okay, but the railway police is very clear that the actor was polite with them. They had a friendly chat, so there wasn't any such confrontation. But yes, the issue comes to focus because it comes at a time soon after the Shiv Sena raised certain objections alleging Sonu Sood of trying to get undue mileage. So coming right after that, this raises eyebrows, as Neha puts it. Thanks very much for joining us.